Welcome to our NSTP journey. What were the challenges you encountered and how did you handle them?
Isa sa mga challenges talaga was handling the kids, especially ang ikli ng attention span nila. Minsan, ang hirap nilang i-focus lalo na kapag tinuturuan sila. Pero nahandle namin siya by making the activities more fun para mas maengganyo sila.
When we went to our first deployment and met the kids, I noticed that most of them still had their guard up. Like they're still thinking if we are to be trusted. And that's where I find it difficult to teach them right away and make them obey to my instructions. I resolved this by introducing myself and ensuring that I present a friendly approach to them, forming a connection between me and the students. Another struggle for me is when a student prefers a certain food and they demand it rather than eating the snacks we bought. We did is by lessening the food we bought and just suggesting that we will just let the kids have what they usually demand, which is ice cream, cupcakes.
Some challenges I encountered were physical fatigue and adjusting to the environment, but I handled them by staying patient and working with my team and keeping a positive mindset.
One of the challenges was how to handle the kids and make the lesson simple and fun for them. What I did was just stay patient and observe what works. Eventually, it became easier.
Fácil, professora 6, 7.
One of the challenges I've encountered was dealing with children who had different personalities. Some were playful, kind, and while the others were sometimes aggressive. I handled this by staying patient, understanding their behaviors, and treating them fairly.
What did you learn from the people or community you work with?
One of the things I learned during the community immersion in NSTP is that how much of a privilege it is to be in the position I'm in right now. Like, hindi lahat ng mga college students is ganito yung naging NSTP nila na they get to be one with the children na not those usual na nakaka-interact natin. It was really an eye-opener for me to get to know them, especially those who are really eager to attend yung mga sessions. And those interactions we had serves as a little reminder for me na tayo din talaga yung pag-asa and makakatulong to give better opportunities to more children na gusto talaga mag-aral.
From this experience, na-realize ko na the kids find happiness in simple things and sobrang appreciative nila, which it reminds us to always be grateful din even for small and simple things.
What was the most memorable moment for you during the activity?
The most memorable moment during the activity was I get to take care of 3 kids. It's Hidalgo, it's Zian, and then si Andre. 3 of them, masaya sila kasama, pero ang kulit talaga nila that you will face a lot of difficulties in taking care of them. You will use your patience when taking care of them. Like, literal na, patience is the key.
Personally, hindi ako sanay magturo sa bata or yung mag-handle sa kanila, ganun. Kaya, nung kinakabahan ako kasi baka mamaya hindi ko sila maasikaso, ganun. Pero, thanks to their cooperation, naging maayos naman yung NSTP namin, ng aking mga kagrupo.
When I saw how small things make them happy. One time, I bought my student his merienda and ice cream. Sobrang saya niya doon.
How would you describe your overall experience during the 4 days of community service?
My overall experience during the 4 days of community service was fulfilling, eye-opening, and meaningful because I was able to help others while also learning a lot.
Hi. Kambing. Andito ka na. Hi ka, hi.
overall experience ko during the 4 days ng community service was super fulfilling and masaya at the same time. At first, medyo kinakabahan pa ako kasi hindi ko alam what to expect. Pero habang tumatagal, mas naging komportable ako with the kids and even with my group mates.
I experienced a lot of difficulties at first since you have to take care of children that you really don't know and hindi mo alam kung ano talaga yung mga personality nila, kung paano ba sila mag-act. And ayun, pero overall naman, masaya naman. You get to learn stuff from the kids also. Like when they tell you the things they have experienced over sa lugar nila, ganun yung mga nangyayari sa buhay na sinasabi din nila. You get to learn a lot of moral lessons to these kids, even though minsan makulit talaga sila na super duper. Basta, ayan, overall, my experience was very nice and I would do it over and over again.
For my overall experience, it were meaningful and fulfilling because I was able to teach children and share my knowledge with them.
If I were to describe my overall experience during the 4 days of community service, I would say that it was challenging and fun. It's challenging in terms of transportation, especially I'm not an expert when it comes to commute and navigating the directions. I find enjoyment when it comes to the actual teaching and doing interacting activities such as the morning programs.
A message I can give to share with the future NSTP volunteers is that hopefully hindi lang maging for the sake ng grades yung mga pag-attend natin sa NSTP, but more of to actually delve into the community and maging bukal sa loob natin yung pag-volunteer sa kanila.